Hi there! Welcome to Dognormous. Today we're going to trim some dog nails, so grab your favorite tools and let's get started. Before we start trimming the nails, I would like to make a note that the way we should handle our dogs when trimming nails is to hold them in a position that's natural to their movement. If we hold something a little bit more natural or outstretched, you can see that he wants to move back in to get to something more comfortable. It might take a little bit of practice getting your hand comfortable and being able to support their weight while you pick up the leg, but it all comes in time. First, we're going to work with some nail clippers here. We're going to pick the foot up, and you can see there is the growth of the nail right there. And we're going to tip off the top of the nail, going in the opposite angle that the nail grows. That way we can take most of the growth off. I like to take my clippers at an angle around where the quick should be. It helps me not quick the dog as much, and I can get the nails a lot shorter. Okay, let's work on some of the front toes here. So we're going to bend it back in a natural position and clear the hair away so that way we can really see our toes here and take a look to see how much growth I have. I'm going to angle my clippers at a 45-degree angles just about in the opposite direction and take my first big chunk and then clipper all the way around so that way I can expose that quick really nice. Here's a close-up, nice big clip all the way around. And you see I can just keep shearing off pieces until I get to my desired length where I can really see the center of that quick there. See it coming through? And just remember, you don't have to be fast about this. Take your time. It doesn't all have to be done in one session. Our next tool is a way to file dogs' nails, which we can get shorter. So we're using a Dremel here. This is a sandpaper bit. I'm going to be using my diamond bit. It helps keep the heat down and it doesn't grab fur, which you can see he has a lot of. So same motion, we're going to pick up very comfortably and we're going to apply light pressure and just file it down. The nice thing about filing is I can go all the way around the nail, and even if I hit the quick a little bit, it won't break it. So your chances of bleeding are a lot lower. Again, we're going to take most of our length off by trimming down that tip at roughly about a 45-degree angle, and then we're going to round it out all the way around so that way that quick is nice and exposed. You can see how my thumb supports the file so he can't kick into the file without me feeling. And there is a nice smooth and short nail for you. And you can see I can file over that quick and it's not going to start bleeding. It's actually a pretty thick vein. You've probably seen groomers file nails by holding the dog with their front leg in front of them. This can be tough for owners because you can't really see the bottom of that nail. Some dogs aren't comfortable in this position either because it brings the tool closer to their face and it also pulls their leg at an awkward angle so that way you can see while you're trimming the nails. You want to find something that's comfortable for you and the dog. Now we're going to take a look at some black nails here. With black nails we kind of do a clip and check to make sure that we're not quicking the dog. And then we use that one nail that we clipped to kind of give us a guideline for the rest of the nails. We make our first small clip, check, clip some more, and we keep going all the way around until we start seeing a stronger black dot. And it's right there. So now we'll just take the side shorter so that way we can get a bit more quick exposed. Then I'll use that as my guideline to be able to trim the rest of the nails. Coming at the second nail, I'm coming with a lot more confidence knowing how much I took off on the last nail. And you can see there, the quick is right there in the center. I'm going to keep going around a bit and seeing if I can take it shorter and shorter. You can see that we're really exposing the quick on this nail, and by doing that, it makes the quick want to recede back into the nail, helping us get our nails shorter. Most people prefer filing black nails because it's a bit more forgiving when hitting the quick and you can get it really nice and short. This is that same nail that I clipped with the clippers and went over it, and you can see that it's not bleeding. Same with this nail. I can go over that quick and it won't cut it. On the nails that we haven't touched, we're going to apply a little bit more pressure. Check for that little black dot, and then we will lightly go over and round our nail out so it's nice and smooth. Again, you can see my thumb supporting my file to make sure that I feel any movement that she might make while I'm trimming her nails. This allows me time to adjust and react so everyone stays safe. Once I'm done with the nails, I tend to like to hand out snackies. It's her favorite part, and it keeps the nail trims exciting.